Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly here as usual, just to take an overview, quick overview. Where are we heading as well? And we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I've probably finished, of course, a wave count, yellow count here for a wave 3 in your orange count, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, we are looking at probably finished a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. Wave 5 in the yellow count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. As you can see, this wave 5 can be finished, yeah, as a 1, 2, 3, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is an ending diagonal here, finishing this wave 3 in the orange count. Now let's move a little bit closer inside this wave where we are looking at this contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly finished, of course. After this, after this, you are looking for a little bit lower prices here. You would like to reach, of course, an A, B, and a C here as a 1-to-1 fib level, at least, of course, for a correction, right? In case we are corrective. In case we are in double 1, 2, be careful. It can be, of course, an impulse toward the downside 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then a B, and a C, of course, or it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a bigger, of course, correction toward the downside. Now, in the bigger view, of course, you would like to reach probably these fib level, which are the 0.23. Taken, of course, from the bottom of this impulse to the top, of course, hitting the 116. As you can see, those fib levels has been hit already, and probably, of course, we might, of course, head for a little bit higher and then moving towards the downside again for a continuation of this correction, meaning you finish here as an A, B, and a C, finishing 3 waves toward the downside probably, and then 3 waves up, yeah, and then finishing also an impulse as ABC, bigger ABC, or it can be, of course, as we said, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, and this might transform to a wave A, and then, of course, for a wave B in a bigger scenario, and then a bigger wave C in an impulse, of course, to bring, of course, us back even to this gap, which is open here for the Nvidia, still open. Can be very, very possible to close this gap as well, and then moving toward the upside again one more time for this wave 5 in the orange scenario. Don't forget that we have still, of course, this wave 5 to finish, unless, of course, we are very, very bearish, of course, after a finished impulse toward the downside. Towards the upside. So we would like, of course, to move towards the downside. So these are those fibs are taken, of course, from your orange here scenario, and of course those are logarithmic fibs, and taken, of course, from this bottom. We have hit the perfect fib level so far for 0.23, probably looking for a little bit deeper and moving for higher. So we're gonna see, of course, what's gonna happen. Probably it's gonna be a bigger wave 4. We can know this, of course, based on the time. So the time required for a wave 4 here in the orange scenario is taken, of course, from your wave 2 time here. So we can estimate this based on your wave 3 here, and we can get a little bit a clue where it might end up. So wave 4 based on the wave 2, here we go. So yeah, basically this is your blue box. Between here, this would be the perfect blue box, of course, for a wave 4, which is around the July 2025, June 2025, June 2025, or I mean 30, it means at the end of the June. So basically we might see this for Tesla. This exactly A, B, and a C. That would be the perfect scenario. Probably we have finished currently the wave A. Probably you're moving for wave B, and then a wave C, which is gonna be perfect scenario, of course, in the blue box here, to finish, of course, this wave 4 in any way, and then moving, of course, for one more wave toward the upside. And of course your wave 5 can be higher. So let's remove this, keep the blue box as a time requirement, and the wave 5 target can be the following. If we have a wave 5 target here, we would like to take, of course, this from the wave 1 here, and based on the wave 3, we would like to have a 5/1, and here we go. So basically, yeah, it can be a very high target, 935. Nobody knows. Yes, it can be very possible regarding the percentage movement of Nvidia. It can reach this target, of course, soon or later. That was it for Nvidia. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.